Chocolate is one of the world's most popular sweets. Yet hardly anyone knows how much work and sophisticated technology are actually involved. It all begins in tropical regions where cacao trees grow. On these trees hang large, oval cacao pods, within which the precious cacao beans are found. When the pods are ripe, they're harvested by hand and then carefully opened. The beans, together with the white, pulp-like mucilage, are extracted and fermented for several days. It is precisely during this step that the distinctive chocolate flavor is born. After fermentation, the beans are dried in the sun until they reach their ideal moisture content. They are then packed into sacks and transported to chocolate factories all over the world. In the factory, the industrial part of the production begins. First, the cacao beans are roasted to develop their full aroma. Subsequently, they are cracked and separated from their brittle shells. What remains are the so-called cacao nibs. These nibs are finely ground, resulting in a thick liquid cocoa mass. Depending on the type of chocolate being made, sugar, cocoa butter, and, in the case of milk chocolate, milk powder are now added. This mixture is then conched for many hours, meaning it is intensively stirred and aerated. Through this process, the chocolate becomes ever finer, smoother, and develops its characteristic rounded flavor profile. The next step is tempering. The chocolate is heated and cooled in a controlled manner. This crucial process ensures that the finished chocolate will have a beautiful glossy sheen and produce a satisfying crisp snap when broken. Finally, the liquid chocolate is poured into molds, cooled, and solidified. Finished bars are released from their molds, packaged, and prepared for sale. And so, from simple cacao beans, emerges the chocolate we enjoy every single day.